Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be discussing about how to construct a concrete building, which is a step-by-step procedure. So generally one has to understand that the construction of concrete buildings is different from one structure to another based on the size of the building, its complexity, the function of the building and the materials of the building. Also soil types, environmental conditions, availability of skilled labor, construction equipment and construction materials availability will also affect the construction process. So one has to remember that building construction activities are divided into two major groups, that is pre-contract activities and the post-contract activities. So basically the pre-contract activities are that refers to activities before a contract is made for the construction of the works, and the later one, that is the post contract activities, refers to activities after a contract is made for the works construction. So in this video we will discuss about this pre-contract activities, and in the next video we will discuss about this post-contract activities. So moving with the pre-contract activities, that is the pre-construction activities, we have like location of the project, building plan, soil investigation report, building design, preparing the estimates and budgeting, building permit, and specifying the builder. So let's see about each step in detail. Coming to the first one, that is the location of a project. A building's location needs to be specified properly to avoid future problems due to soil types or any other issues. Sometimes there is not much room for selecting a building site, hence, problems, if present, need to be tackled properly. The second step is building plan. So the plan of a building is set by the architectural engineers based on the requirements of the building. And the next one is the soil investigation report. Basically the soil investigation report should be prepared before the design of the structure. The geotechnical engineer needs to know the properties of the soil in the construction site, otherwise the foundation design cannot proceed. The soil investigation report basically contains soil properties, types of soil, the load bearing capacity of the soil, etc. And then is the building design. After the building planning and after investigating about the soil report, a structural engineer designs the frame of the structure. The type of the foundation is also determined and designed based on the soil investigation report and the load of the superstructure. Moving to prepare, estimate and budget. The building estimator estimates material quantity, a number of different items of the works, and prepares a sheet that contains the cost of the building construction. And the next is building permit. So once your budgeting is finished, we have to move towards the approval. So you have to grant approval of the city development authority to start the construction activities. Taken approval may need certain documents such as the soil investigation report, all the drawings like your plan, elevation section, land survey report, structural report, etc. And finally is specifying a builder. So the selection of a builder is significant since it is essential for the building's successful construction within the time frame. All the details of the project should be clearly described in the contract document. The conditions of the contract need to be completely checked before signing the document. So this is about all the pre-construction activities. So that's it about this video. So in our next video we will see about the post construction activities or the post contract activities. So keep watching. Thank you.